Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Fool on guitar. First, let's dive into the core chords. You'll need to master 4 fundamental shapes: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are the building blocks for the entire song. Focus on clean fretting and a consistent strumming hand. We'll also cover a simple, yet effective, strumming pattern to get you started right away. Now, let's refine your strumming. The primary pattern for Love Fool is a simple down, down, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each stroke is clear. Pay close attention to the rhythm and feel of the song. A metronome set to around 120 beats per minute can be incredibly helpful for developing a steady tempo. Consistency is key to making the song sound authentic. Smooth chord transitions are crucial for playing Love Fool fluidly. Work on moving seamlessly between G, C, D, and E minor. The song structure is quite straightforward, typically following a verse-chorus, bridge chorus pattern. Anticipate the upcoming chord change by preparing your fingers slightly ahead of time. This will help eliminate pauses and keep your playing continuous and melodic. To truly master Love Fool, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to working on the chords and strumming. Listen to the original song by the Cardigans, often to internalize its feel and nuances. Playing along with the recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and ensure you're hitting all the changes precisely. Enjoy the process of bringing this classic tune to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.